Hi everyone, this is Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. This is a challenge that I came up with, and I have asked Devin from Freckled Mom DIY to be my permanent host, and our guest host this month is Amanda from 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. And today I am going to be featuring ZANA from OK at Home DIY. She inspired me from the very beginning, almost a year ago, when I put up my first DIY that I had ever done, my video, and she was one of the very first people who commented, and she continued commenting on my videos, and I would go watch her videos, and it inspired me just to continue doing DIYs and sharing my love for the craft. Okay, now let's get to the projects. This first project was inspired by ZANA. It's one she kind of did, and I'm kind of recreating it my own. And the rest of the videos, or the projects, is not from her. They're from me, but I could see her making them. It kind of gave me the zen, and her name is ZANA, which I love. My granddaughter's name is Zaylee, and her name is Zane, and so they're the Z clan. So I think that's pretty cool. But what I've done is I've used my Cricut, and I've used my stenciling. Okay, as you can see, I'm pulling off the contact paper from the stencil vinyl, and I'm just going to use paint with a makeup sponge and a stipple brush to get all of these different things painted on. Now I'm just pulling that stencil away, and you can see what ends up being on there. And then I'm going to do a few more things, and then this project will be done. So I'm going ahead and taking, it's an off-white, I cannot remember the name of it. I'm just going to dry brush over it, and then we're going to make a little bow, and this project is finished. Okay, I took a canvas board and I painted it gray, and then I am putting tumbling blocks around the edges for the border. Okay, as I'm finishing up, I had to use my miter shears to cut a few of them so that they would fit, and I'm just hot gluing this in place. Then I'm going to grab some vinyl wording that I had printed off on my Cricut. Now when I started, it pulled up the paint, and this paint had been sitting on there for 2 days, so I'm not sure why it still did that, but it did. So you'll see what I end up doing on this, because I wanted these exact words on here. So this is the first one. I even used my, I take my contact paper, is what I use for transfer tape, and I put it on my pants several times to take off the stickiness, but it didn't seem to make a difference at all on this, and it pulled up paint. So I'll let you watch this and see how I end up doing it. As you can see, I am painting, just hand painting the wording in so that it will look the way I want it to look. And then when I'm done with that, I am just going to put a small jute loop on the back to hang this project, and it will be finished. And don't forget to go down to the description box. Down there I will have the link to Devin's channel, the Freckled Mom DIY, as well as Amanda's 6 kids and a glue gun, as well as ZANA from OK Home DIY, her channel as well. And there will also be a link to my new channel. It is more of a everything but DIY channel. I've only put one video up, but there will be more coming in just a couple of weeks. So, and that's just everything, all the other stuff, or at least a lot of the other stuff that I do. And don't forget to hit the subscribe, as well as give me a big old thumbs up and hit that notification bell. If you hit it twice, click on the all, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. At least you should be. So here you can see I'm just painting the Jenga blocks white, so that, or it's tumbling towers from the Dollar Tree. I'm just painting them white so that this project will be finished. So I hope you guys like it. So let's get to the next one. Okay, this is a plaque that I put little C hooks in it a long time ago, and we hang all of our keys on it. Well, I'm redoing my kitchen, and it just didn't fit in, so it was just straight black, and I wanted to liven it up a little bit because my walls are now light gray. So I took and put white acrylic paint from Apple Barrel, which is from Plaid. I'm a Plaid ambassador. And I just did around the edging. There's a little bit of a nice little edging. I don't even know what, I forget. I totally lost my words, but I'm painting it white. And then I cut out some white lettering from my Cricut, and it's going to say keys and things. And I'm just going to put that after I get done painting this whole thing. And like I said, this paint's been on here forever, so let's get right into this. And apparently I lost the footage of putting the vinyl in here, so that's the end of that. And these are a recap of all of the different projects. And don't forget to go check out the co-hosts as well as ZANA's channel. This is Women Supporting Women. Here's your crown. And today I'm giving it to ZANA. So please don't forget to go over there and check them all out. You guys have a blessed day and week. And don't forget to be the Bible that somebody reads today. Bye.